There is a crazy offer going on right now, and you can earn $300 for just opening a Wells Fargo checking account for a limited time. No, there's no catch, and in this video, I'll be going over everything that you need to know to be able to claim your $300 bonus. We'll go over all the easy requirements, how to sign up step by step, and everything else you need to know to receive your $300 payment. So please make sure you watch the entire video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Paul, and I talk all things money and finance. So before we get into the video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more future videos just like this. So this $300 checking bonus from Wells Fargo takes less than 10 minutes of your time to sign up for, and I'm going to go over everything that you need to know about it. The first question you're probably asking is, what is the exact bonus? Wells Fargo will pay you $300 for just opening a checking account with them until January 9th, 2024. This basically means that Wells Fargo will pay you just to open a checking account with them with a few minor requirements. Let's take a look at these requirements. Now first, who is eligible to receive this bonus? So some eligibility requirements is that you have to be a new customer, and you must use your bonus offer code at account opening when you apply for a checking account. And you are not eligible for this offer if you are a current owner of a Wells Fargo consumer checking account, you have received a bonus for opening a Wells Fargo consumer checking account within the past 12 months, or you are a Wells Fargo employee. What are the requirements to receive the bonus? To earn the bonus, you must open a new Wells Fargo consumer checking account with a minimum opening deposit of $25 by January 9th, 2024. Now, all account applications are subject to approval as usual. Now, another requirement is that within 90 calendar days of account opening, you have to receive a total of $1,000 or more in qualifying direct deposits to your new checking account. Now, a qualifying direct deposit is defined as ACH or automatic clearing house, automatic electronic deposit of your salary, pension, social security, or other regular income into your bank account. How fast will the money hit? Now, the money will hit pretty quickly. Once the 90-day qualification period has elapsed, we will determine if you have met the offer requirements and will deposit any earned bonus into your new checking account within 30 days. Now, you must keep that account open for at least 90 days through that qualification period. And like with any other bonus, you're responsible for the federal, state, or local taxes due on the bonus. Now, let's go through step by step on how you can sign up through Wells Fargo to receive your $300 bonus. So to get to the bonus page, you're going to go to accountoffers.wellsfargo.com/checking offer. And you can see on this page that it says get a $300 checking bonus once you open an everyday checking account with a minimum opening deposit of $25 from this offer webpage. Now you have two options of opening the account. One, you can do it online as usual, or two, you can go into a branch and do it as well. So as you can see, the offer ends January 9th, and it gives you a rundown of how you can get your bonus. Now to open online, all you have to do is click open online, and you're just going to fill out the information, and you can see that on the right side here that there's a bonus offer application right here, and the offer expires on January 9th, 2024. Just make sure you see that when you apply. Overall, this $300 Wells Fargo checking bonus is a great deal simply because there's no odd requirements and you get your money pretty fast. That is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you learned anything in today's video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more future videos just like this. As always, your life is a masterpiece, so let's unlock your full financial potential together. And with that, I will catch you in the next video. Take care.